guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the code you can use to buy the best data plans on MTN. This would actually give you the best and the cheapest data plans on MTN. So you are getting double for recharging through this code. Firstly, let's check the default or the normal code that we usually use, which is if you want to buy data and you have airtime on your phone, you need to press *131# and dial the call button and dial the number through the call button. So the options would be to select one, which shows you daily data plan, weekly, monthly, or whatever it is. But this time around, we're going to select 3. And once you select 3, you are seeing let's talk about 1,000 naira for 1.5 gig. So for me, the option that I'm looking at here is 3,500 naira for 12 gig. Yes, so I'm going to show you a code that would give you double of these for the same 3,500 naira. So stay tuned, guys. And when we return, I'm going to show you the code. Let's go to Pampy also and see the options they have for us. Then after this, I'm going to show you the secret code you can use to buy MTN data plans at extremely low rate. So this is Pampy. So let's do as if we want to buy data. So let's buy airtime. Okay, sorry. Let's go back and buy data. So I'm clicking on data right now and it's MTN. So you are seeing all the options we have here. So the one let's look for the one of 3,500 naira. It's not even there. So 3,000 naira according to Pampy would give you 10 gig. Wow, let's go straight to the secret code I am about to unveil. So now on your phone, dial this number *121# to see the secret code to buy data at extremely low rate. So once you dial *121#, you're going to see 4 options here. So these 4 options, we have the top deal for me, we have the data for me, we have recharge for me, we have combo for me, we have VAS for me. So number 1 option, you can check number 1 option to see what they have for you. They are saying 2 gig for 500 naira. No, we don't want that. So press 0 to go back, and once you go back, the next thing, select these 2 options. That's the second option. Option 2, it's going to show you number 1, you can buy 9 gig for 2,000 naira, or you buy 24 gig for 3,500 naira. So guys, that is it. So option 2 is always better. And it has more options. So this depends on your SIM. It depends on how often you load, and if you are lucky. So your luck also plays a part in this. Some persons actually got 40 gig for 2,500 naira. Some got 40 gig for 5,000 naira. So it all depends on your luck, and so that's it, guys. If you are joining this platform for the very first time, that's watching our video for the very first time, please make sure you subscribe. I'm always here to help and to support you guys. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you have other legit codes for getting cheap data, please also drop it in the comment section below. I love you so much, and I hope to hear from you. I hope to see you subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification so that anytime we drop our videos, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you once again for watching, and bye for now.